The external temperature sensor on a Mini Cooper N14 is just behind the bumper. I'm just going to show you the cable. So here's the wheel area, here's the fog lamp assembly, etc. This cable here goes to this connector on the side, and then it goes up and it loops over the top of the lamp assembly. So it goes up there, over the top, and let's see if I can show you where it goes. It's finger. Okay, that's it there. So it's coming over the top, and then there's it's strapped to like a kind of clip that clips onto the bumper, and it has like the sticky tape either side, so that's strapped to there. Then it continues in that direction, and let's see if I can show you a picture of it. It's my finger is just pointing at it. That there, where it won't focus, is the temperature sensor. Let's see if I can look up from down here. There it is. So that there, what you can see there, is the sensor. So it's pointing towards the passenger side in the UK of the car, and from the outside is the bumper. So on these earlier, this is like a 2009 Mini Cooper S, that area is kind of blanked off, and just here is where it is. It sticks out a little bit. There it is. Hang on, where is it? There. That's the probe that is the external temperature sensor. So it's located here, pointing in that direction. And this is an early N14 engine, not an N18, but I think the later ones are in a similar place.